Neonatology or the medical care of infants is a critical area that needs niche expertise. One company that's contributing to this field by manufacturing indigenous and cost-effective medical equipment is Chennai-based Phoenix Medical Systems. Incorporated in 1989 under the leadership of V. Shashikumar, Phoenix Medical Systems is the winner of the Leaders of Tomorrow Awards 2012 in the category of pharmaceuticals, drugs and medical products.
These awards really, showcase what we have done and what we have really achieved in this particular year or whatever. And plus it also pushes our motivation to the extent that, we do better.
The medical equipment industry is still at a nascent stage in India because there are no major incentives for companies in this sector. Phoenix Medical Systems is one of the few experts to not only survive but also thrive in this scenario thanks to its innovative and user-friendly products and services.
All the products which we have designed and done is from the point of view of the user. We do a lot of user study and come up with a product. So it's very innovative. It's totally an innovative way of looking at the product itself into the Indian market by getting a lot of FDAs and CE marking and so on.
Incorporating innovation into its business DNA, Phoenix Medical Systems is known for developing and designing a variety of infant care products ranging from continuous positive airway pressure units, CFL and LED-based phototherapy units, to comprehensive infant care centers, electronic weighing scales, and much more. Its USP lies in manufacturing products that are non-invasive and yet maintain the highest quality standards.
53% of the babies in government hospitals in India die due to infection. So basically, our products address zero infection. That is the biggest USP in this country or any part of the world at the moment.
With quality and innovation, Phoenix Medical Systems is constantly winning the support of its clients. Its cutting-edge product range is designed and developed, keeping in mind not just the needs of the domestic segment, but also international demand. Today, its products reach markets in Sri Lanka, Thailand, Switzerland, Singapore, Italy, France, UAE, and most African nations.
My association with Phoenix was almost 23 years, right? Ever since '88, it started manufacturing. And one good thing is it keeps upgrading its. Initially it started with a warmer. Now the warmer is intensive care unit warmer with all the facilities. And the one good thing is like after sales service.
Starting the journey with just a basic incubator in 1989, the company has seen remarkable growth ever since its inception. With an endeavor to provide the best medical care to newborns, Phoenix Medical Systems has rightly earned a mark of excellence for its achievements.